Hi, my name is Patricia Barrera. I'm going to be your teacher for today. Today we're going to learn about two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. What they are, how they look, and if you can see in real world what they are. Okay? First we're going to start by watching two videos. Let's put
I wanna watch Alpha Blocks.
Okay, first we're going to watch these videos. You close the light.
Ooh, first we're going to watch the shapes and then the Alpha Block.
Yeah, that's my name. We're going to watch the first video.
Yay! Look at the shadow. Oh, look.
Oh, it's not working. Okay, now we're going to see two videos of shapes. This is the first one.
Circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Where? There. Oh yeah. Shapes everywhere. The shapes in everything we see. The square has 4 sides, triangle has 3. The circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Where? There. Oh yeah. Shapes everywhere. Shapes are shapes everywhere. Shapes are shapes everywhere. Shapes are shapes everywhere. Look around the world and see the shapes in everything. The circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Where? There. Shapes everywhere. There. Oh yeah. Shapes everywhere. Shapes are shapes everywhere. Shapes are shapes everywhere. Shapes are shapes everywhere.
Yeah, kids. Which shapes do you saw in the video?
Circle, rectangle, triangle, and square.
And squares, yes.
But I wanted the one
Okay.
with diamond and star.
Okay,
and
listen. Of those shapes, how many sides do a square have? How many?
4.
4. And a triangle?
3.
3. And a circle?
No, 0.
It's only 1 because it's a circle, okay? It has no sides. And these shapes, what is the name of these shapes? Two-dimensional shapes. There's two-dimensional shapes. Now we're gonna see three-dimensional shapes, okay? So,
Yay. Mommy, follow the Alpha Blocks.
I'm a 3D shape expert. Here are 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A baseball, the moon, and a board I have right here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. A basketball, the earth, and marbles I have here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A soda can, a pencil shaped in a can of soup would be examples of a cylinder, examples of a cylinder. Yes, I'm sure they are. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. An ice cube, a cardboard box, and a Christmas present for you are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. My little dice, a sugar cube, and blocks that I use are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. An ice cream cone, a pencil tip, and a bag of foam are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone. A birthday hat, a traffic cone, or a funnel in my home are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A paperweight, Egyptian pyramids, and some tents would be examples of a pyramid, as you can plainly see. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
And it is done.
Yeah, of those 3D shapes that you saw, a sphere, a cone, a cylinder, a cube, and a pyramid. Did you recognize some things from life? Like, what shape is this?
A cylinder.
A cylinder, yes. And what shape will be this?
Cylinder.
No,
Square.
it's a cube.
Cube.
In 2D is a
Cube.
square, but in 3D this is called a cube, okay?
A square.
And here we have like a point. 3D shapes are fat, they're not flat. A cone is like a party hat. A sphere is like a bouncy ball. A prism is like a building tall. A cylinder is like a can of pop. A cube is like a dice you drop. 3D shapes here and there. 3D shapes everywhere. What else can you see as a 3D shape?
A diamond.
A diamond. What else?
A star. A star.
A heart. Okay.
Here and here.
Like a house. What shape is a house?
A square. Cube.
Like a cube and like a triangle on top, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a square if you see 2D shapes. But in 3D shapes, it's like a cube. And so we're gonna see other 3D shapes, okay?
More 3D shapes. Different. And look at my feet.
Hey, pórtese bien, Ovid, please.
Put my sock back. Mommy.
Now, we're gonna continue. Here we have two-dimensional shapes. You see first, we have a rectangle. How many sides has a rectangle?
4.
4 sides, yes. And the next one, what shape it is? Under the rectangle. It's a triangle. Yeah, how many?
3.
3 sides, yes. And the next one is a square. So we see that 2D shapes are flat and 3D shapes are fat, okay? They have a volume. Yes, this we saw And these are more examples of 2D shapes. These are examples of 3D shapes: a sphere, a cylinder, a pyramid, a cube. There we have a triangular prism and a cone.
Triangle.
Here, what shape is this? Okay? Those buildings have different shapes. What shapes do you see in there?
Rectangles. No, that's a square.
A cube. And in 3D. This is not flat, it's a building. That's a cube, okay? And the circle one, what's the name of that circle? Lucas, what's the name of that circle? Sphere.
Here.
Yes. The circle, that building is like a sphere. Obando, put your feet down. And that other building is like a cube.
Ooh.
Next, this is, what is the shape of this?
A circle. Cylinder.
It's like a circle in 2D, but in 3D it's called a sphere. But yes, it's like a circle. And what is that in real world?
Orange.
An orange, yes.
What shape is
It's an orange. And what is this? What shape is this?
A pyramid.
A pyramid, yes. That's a pyramid. That's a real building, okay?
That's the pyramids go in the desert.
In the deserts, yes. What shape is this?
Cylinder.
Those are cylinders. Those are kind of spaghetti, of beans, and tuna. Those are cylinders. And what shape is this?
Sphere.
A sphere, yes. A ball, a bouncy ball is a sphere. What shape is this?
Oval.
An oval, yes. That's a neck. And necks are oval. What other shapes do you see around you?
Cylinder. Cube.
Yes, cylinders, cubes, spheres, and other shapes. Okay.
Done. Lesson done. Now do our work.
Yes. Now we're gonna see this work. You're gonna follow the dots and complete the shapes.
Right? I'm the leader. No, I'm the leader.
Hey,
Nobody's the
you two are the
leader.
same, okay? So complete the work.
Yes.
And
I was trying.
try to remember the names of the shapes. What shape is this?
Circle.
A circle.
Hey, it's a sphere. Triangle. I'm doing my first name and my last name. And then
Okay, you can do that at the end, okay? Please finish your work. But it's good that you have your name so I can know who did it.
Almost done. And even he has two.
Complete this. What shape for this, Orlando?
Circle.
A circle. Yes, complete the circle. Are those 2D shapes or 3D shapes?
3D shapes. 2D shapes.
2D shapes because they're flat. They're not fat. They are flat, okay?
Fat. I'm
Yes.
done now.
Okay, now we're gonna match some shapes with the names. Here we have a circle, right? These are 2D shapes. In the circle, we're gonna match with the name, circle. Okay, circle with the circle. And then the following, what is this?
Rectangle.
A rectangle. Then we're gonna match with the name, the rectangle. Okay? So you do this job. Okay? I can help you if you need help.
I
This is a circle.
I already know that.
Okay. Yes, this is. No. No, this is a square. This is a triangle. You can erase it.
Okay. Square. Oh.
Yes, this is the square.
Pentagon, rectangle,
And the pentagon is the last one. Yes.
circle. I need my name.
Yes, you can write your name so I know who are you. Okay? ¿Qué le dije? Okay. Now that we learn about shapes, we're going to cut in the triangles and do it in the right column, okay? So, if you see that this is a circle, where does the circle belong? Yes, in the middle one. So you're going to do that job.
We're gonna write.
Yeah. I'm going to check on you. Okay.
I don't know how to do this one. And
On. Okay, so today we learn about 2D shapes and 3D shapes. And let me ask you a question. What shapes are the tires of the trucks?
squares. Square.
The tires are square.
See?
And have you ever seen a truck with square tires?
Yes, I did.
No? Yes?
I did.
You did. When?
Wow. Right now I did. In my dream.
In a dream.
Me too.
But in real life, what would happen if the tires were square? What would happen if the tire was square?
I killed him.
It will not move, right?
Yeah.
If the tires are round, it moves faster because it's round, it rolls. But if the tires are square, what will happen?
I just got a dream about that.
You dream about that. Okay, so today we learn about shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So have a nice day and don't forget your homeworks.